Hi kids! Welcome to another fun video. Today we're learning numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's count together. This is 1. Say it with me. 1. There is one apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Great job! This is 2. Say it with me. 2. One ant, 2 ants. There are 2 ants. A-N-T-S, ants. 2 ants. Awesome! This is 3. Say it with me. 3. There are 3 kites. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. K-I-T-E-S, kites. 3 kites. Well done! This is 4. Say it with me. 4. There are 4 balls. 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls, 4 balls. There are 4 balls. B-A-L-L-S. Balls. 4 balls. You're doing great. This is 5. Say it with me. 5. There are 5 cats. 1 cat, 2 cats, 3 cats, 4 cats, 5 cats. C-A-T-S, cats. 5 cats. Amazing! This is 6. Say it with me. 6. There are 6 cups. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups, 5 cups, 6 cups. C-U-P-S, cups. 6 cups. Awesome work! This is 7. Say it with me. 7. There are 7 dogs. 1 dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs, 4 dogs, 5 dogs, 6 dogs, 7 dogs. D-O-G-S, dogs. 7 dogs. Excellent! This is 8. Say it with me. 8. 1 duck, 2 ducks, 3 ducks, 4 ducks, 5 ducks, 6 ducks, 7 ducks, 8 ducks. 8 ducks. D-U-C-K-S, ducks. Fantastic! This is 9. Say it with me. 9. There are 9 flowers. 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4 flowers, 5 flowers, 6 flowers, 7 flowers, 8 flowers, 9 flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. 9 flowers. Wonderful! This is 10. Say it with me. 10. There are 10 hats. 1 hat, 2 hats, 3 hats, 4 hats, 5 hats, 6 hats, 7 hats, 8 hats, 9 hats, 10 hats. H-A-T-S, hats. 10 hats. You're a star. Great job, kids! You counted from 1 to 10 with me. Keep practicing and come back for more fun videos. See you next time.